Hey Jennifer, this is Nold. Um, I'm gonna try something here and show you what I think you might be doing. So if I go to my course, Automation Robotics, I think I get what you want to do. So you want to add a material. So imagine I've actually ever set anything up here. So I got folders and stuff. But if you just add the file or link like this, if you add a file, if you attach your PowerPoint. So I'm just going to go to OneDrive and attach any PowerPoint I have. So like this case, design process open. What it'll look like is this. So they'll see the file here. Then when they click on it, it might give them this document conversion in progress, blah blah blah. But it shouldn't be a problem if they open it up. What you're doing when I look at this is you're sending it from SharePoint. Um, I would take this from your files and link it the way that I just did. Sometimes it can be a little slow like this, so that drives me kind of crazy. But just to kind of repeat what I did there is you just all you have to really do is add a file, and then depending on where you saved it, everything I have is saved in my OneDrive. So if you go to your File Explorer, the folder I'm going to is this one, and then AR. This is where I have this was the PowerPoint that I'm trying to add in to Schoology right now. But that's kind of the best way I would do it. Yes, they could download it and make it their own and change things on it, but I don't think they will. Um, there might be a setting. Um, no, I was gonna say that I thought maybe there was a setting to change it so it's view only, but yeah, I don't know. That's kind of what I do when it comes to adding those things. Let me know if that helps or not.